And let's talk about incubation period very quickly. Tell me what is the incubation period of malaria? Fifth line, sixth line. 3 weeks, Baba. Okay, 3 weeks. Now the parasite grows and multiplies in the red blood cell and destroys in the process. Chills and high fever are repeated on 3rd or 4th day. When mosquito bites the patient, the parasite is sucked along with the blood. It grows and multiplies within the mosquito. So there are several drugs such as quinine and peludrine and camoquine are used in the treatment. The disease is very common in hot and humid climate. क्या होता है ये प्रोटोजोआ जो है वो एक पैरासाइट के जैसा है. It keeps on staying inside the body and it gets a lot of nutrition वैसे ही मिलता है उसको. अब जब वो मल्टीप्लाई होते ही जाता है तो वो ब्लड में मौजूद रहता है. When a mosquito goes and bites that person, तो ब्लड के साथ साथ वो पैरासाइट भी आ जाएगा. अब वही मॉस्किटो जब किसी और को बाइट करने जाएगा, you will see that there is transfer of that particular parasite into the other person. The classic symptom of malaria is chills and fever. Do you know what is chills and fever? बुखार आना और गिर जाना. बुखार आना और बुखार आता तो मतलब क्या होता है? बॉडी टेम्परेचर गर्म हो जाएगा ना, उसके बाद एकदम से गिर जाना, वापस टेम्परेचर आना, वापस गिर जाना. तो ऐसा नहीं होता है. नॉर्मली फीवर में अपने को फीवर रहता है धीरे धीरे कम हो जाता है. दिस इज अ टिपिकल पैटर्न. ओके, बट व्हाट हैपेंस इज कभी फीवर हुआ, कभी फीवर नहीं हुआ. So this is a classic case of malaria. Then a test has to be followed, some test, and then you understand that that particular person is having malaria. The 3 drugs given to you is camoquine, peludrine, and quinine. ये drugs use किया जाता था मलेरिया को ट्रीट करने के लिए. And control measures में simple है. See, you cannot keep a check on plasmodium. Can you? नहीं ना. प्रोटोजोआ तो यूनिसेल्युलर होता है. कहाँ पकड़ोगे उसको? तो किसको तुम पकड़ सकते हो और किसको खत्म कर सकते हो? वेक्टर. तो मक्खी या मच्छर. In this case, it is mosquito. Just take care that there are no mosquitoes. Or if at all they are there, you kill them and get rid of them. Simple. अगर mosquitoes नहीं होगा तो मलेरिया नहीं होगा. Very simple. Next we go to is the second one, that is amoebic dysentery. ये शायद हमने किया भी है. कहाँ किया है? Chapter 15. Hygiene, health and hygiene. The same thing is given. हाँ, Chapter 15, health and hygiene. Amoebic dysentery था. I wanted to recollect the name. Can you not see in the textbook and recollect the name? Amoeba का. Anta amoeba histolytica. This was the amoeba. और ये अमीबा डिसेंट्री अगर कॉज करता है तो हम अमीबा डिसेंट्री बोलते थे. अगर बैक्टीरिया करता था तो बेसिलरी डिसेंट्री बोलते थे. There is no point in repeating this, so you will read this. Amoeba dysentery read करो. Sleeping sickness is new for you all. Okay, tell me the symptom of amoeba dysentery.
Diarrhea.
What do you mean by diarrhea? Loose motions. Okay, next up, one more symptom along with diarrhea. Pain. Okay.
Discharge of mucus and sometimes
blood in stools. Okay. And infection happens due to dash.
Flies.
Contamination of mucus. Flies. What is the pathogen for amoebic dysentery?
Amoeba histolytica.
And how do you prevent this disease?
Proper sanitation.
Very good. Next one comes sleeping sickness. Sleeping sickness is new for you all. मतलब थोड़ा कहीं बड़ा सा. Listen to this. Sleeping sickness is again caused by protozoa, जिसका नाम है Trypanosoma brucei. Okay, और Trypanosoma brucei rhodensis. ये याद रखना. तुम पूछ लो एक बार तुम्हारे टीचर को whether you have to remember these names or no. Okay. Now it is getting transmitted by CC fly. उसको TC मत बोलना. It's called a CC fly. Okay. CC fly बोलते हैं. CC fly. Okay, and it's also weird. Now listen. The symptoms are fever, then headache, and itchiness and joint pain in first phase. अच्छा ये phases में होता है. तो फर्स्ट फेज के ना जो सिम्टम है that is a little common. For example, headache होना, then itchiness होना, fever थोड़ा सा आना या joint pain होना. You might think joint pain is due to some of the other activity that you did. Maybe a little of jogging, running, walking, इससे शायद हो गया है. थोड़ा सा feverish लग रहा है या headache हो रहा है. Headache is very normal. So हमको ऐसा लगेगा. The second phase you will see or the next phase, the patient will have poor coordination and confusion, numbness, trouble in sleeping. अब ऐसा मत सोचना कि तुमने दोपहर में सोया था इसीलिए रात को नींद नहीं आई. Trouble in sleeping is continuous, and you should know something that if at all you don't get enough sleep, your body does not get enough sleep, then you will suffer from a little of confusion. You will suffer from poor coordination. तो ये ज़्यादा progress होता जाएगा. Coordination में नहीं होना मतलब सोचो simple काम नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Simple चीज़ में तुम्हारा coordination नहीं बैठता है. Maybe you are playing and if somebody throws a ball or near to you or against you, you are not able to catch it or maybe you are not able to hit it with a bat. Okay? तो इसका मतलब coordination में कुछ लफड़ा है तुम्हारा. हाँ, that's it. Okay, next up comes trouble in sleeping. इसीलिए इसको बोला जाता है sleeping sickness. Okay, and the case is also known as neurological phase, जो कि last phase है. It can be fatal at this stage. So if a person is not able to sleep for nights and nights, just imagine how that person would be. और neurologically थोड़ा hallucination भी हो सकता है उनको. समझ आया? So hallucination मतलब जिसको sleep नहीं मिलता तो hallucination हो जाएगा ना. So all these is neurological phase. It can be very fatal in this state. Administrating drugs such as metazocol is very important in sleeping sickness. Okay, ये ड्रग्स का नाम है, दवाई का नाम नहीं है. I hope you understand the difference between दवाई का नाम और ड्रग का नाम. Okay, बहुत सारी दवाई आती है उसमें ड्रग सेम होता है. And the price range differs due to whatever the company that they make. Okay, the next one we have is parasitic worms, say disease. The first one probably everyone present over here would be having. हमको सबको ये था. The first disease is that we talked about is ascariasis. Okay, we call it as ascariasis or ascariasis. It's the same. It is due to the worm ascaris. Okay, and this is also called as round worm. Not because कि वो ऐसा round है. नहीं, round माने cylindrical. We have a specimen also in our lab. हमारे lab में अगर तुम देखोगे तो male और female दोनों worms का specimen पड़ा हुआ है. तुम्हारी टीचर दिखाएगी तुमको. This is a cylindrical worm. Cylindrical समझ में आता है? See, this is a cylindrical portion. Plus उसका जो tip होता है ना, वो tip थोड़ा सा rounded होता है. इसे थोड़ा सा curved होता है. Also, the female worm is lengthier than the male. ये समझ आया? Now what happens is this worm that is there, we talk about the male worm or the female worm, basically the ascaris worm or the round worm. This will be found in the intestine. किसके intestine में? Host के intestine में. अब host मतलब हमको पकड़ लो humans को. Tapeworm का अलग है. This is ascaris. This is different. Okay. Now what happens? Yes, my dear.
ये ऑलमोस्ट ज़्यादा भी
ये
सही.
काउ में होता है.
आ रहे हम खाने.
ये भी काउ.
Cow is also host.
काउ भी
Yes, yes. अच्छा सुनो इसने क्या पूछा सुनो. He's saying that cow में भी होता है तो yes. Cow में जिसको होता है वो उसका host हो गया. तो ये word पता चल रहा है host. Host का मतलब वहाँ से उसको nutrition मिल रहा है.
इस साइड देखो.
For example, you are hosting a party. You are hosting a party for all of us. That means you are the host.
हाँ.
तो तुम्हारे घर में आके हम खाएंगे ना. समझ आया? अगर वो host है तो उसके घर में जाके. अब मैंने जब बोला cow is a host, human is a host, that means they are having the disease. अब तुमने अगर पूछा कि वो जाता कैसा है तो वो जाएगा food के way से. ठीक है? Then you might also have a question in your mind that there is HCl in the stomach. Then how it surpasses that, and then it goes into the intestine and it stays there nicely, makes a home over there. और ये बढ़िया parasite है. Parasite का मतलब ही है that it gets free fund में food and it's having very cozy life over there. तो खाना मिल रहा है ना बहुत अच्छे से. समझ आया? So this parasitic worm will go into the intestine. कौन सा intestine? बुद्धि लगा के बताओ. Small intestine. Why small intestine?
क्योंकि वहाँ पे nutrients absorb होते हैं ना.
Absorption of food happens over there. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Okay. So nutrients, absorption of food. Nutrients are basically that food that we talking about. So also it will, if at all it has eggs into the body, it will lay eggs over there, जिसकी वजह से multiply होता है. ठीक है? And it stays over there because it is getting food. This ascaris might stay in the stomach. अगर वो female है जिसने बहुत सारे eggs उधर ले कर दिए हैं, then it's a big problem. And we all had this problem. एस्केराइसिस सबको होता था. I tell you why. Baby लोग, small children, small infants have a habit of crawling. तो ऐसा होता है कि जमीन पे, अभी हम कहाँ से आए? We have come from out अपने छोटे छोटे पहन के आ गए, ठीक है? घर में भी कहीं ना कहीं से कोई आ रहा है, जा रहा है. So the floor is dirty. It might happen that एस्केराइसिस के जो eggs होते हैं या एकदम जो smallest larva या worms होते हैं, वो हो सकते हैं. Okay? It might happen. बच्चों को क्यों होता है ये मैं बता रही हूँ. बच्चों को इसलिए होता है because they crawl. So it happens like they crawl. वही जो fingers है, nails है, उसमें they happen to touch their face or they happen to suckle onto the thumb or something. That way it goes. So probably every child, I'm talking about every child. Listen carefully. Every child had it, and we were given some tonic. एक टॉनिक आता था, बच्चे को बुलाते ना, कैसे बोलते हैं, वो कीड़े होते हैं ना पेट में, वो निकल जाते हैं. It's not पेट, it is where small intestine. But common people को पेट बोलते थे. तो वो सब में थे, तो कीड़े निकल गए. Grown-ups also have ascariasis. Now listen to this story. Ascariasis क्यों होता है उनको? If at all we eat unwashed vegetables and fruit, तो किसमें हो सकता है? Do you know the fertilizers are put into the soil? Natural fertilizer में क्या होता है? Excreta होगा कि नहीं? Cow dung and all that manure बनाते हैं. उसमें होगा. It goes into the soil. It is there on the surface of the vegetable or inside the rim or somewhere. And that unwashed, if at all we eat, so even a grown-up person can have ascariasis.
How do we come to know?
You wash the vegetable and eat.
नहीं, अगर if you have already been suffer already होगा.
बहुत भूख लगी.
So first of all, एक तो वो पैरासाइट है. नहीं, इसका फिर वो पैरासाइट ना, तुम जो खा रहे हो, बच्चों को होता है ना, तो बच्चे तो बोल नहीं सकते, वो रोते रहेंगे और वो खाते कौन सा. So if at all they are eating unusually and they are crying and they have stomach ache ऐसा लग रहा है, they have it. The same goes for adults. We don't cry. That's the only difference. We eat a lot. We tend to eat. अब तुम्हारा वो जो भूख लगना और मन से वो बोलते हैं ना, खाना है, ये खाना है, वो खाना है, that is different. अभी तुमको 5 बार अगर कुछ मन हो गया कि आज ये भी खाएंगे, वो भी, तो ऐसा नहीं कि एस्केराइसिस है तुमको. But if you're genuinely feeling a lot of hungriness or you're feeling a little of gripping pain थोड़ा सा abdomen में, या you feel a little of discomfort, then it might happen that there is a case. Okay? I don't want you to gross out, but if at all we talk about this, तो एक तो याद रखो कि वॉश करके हम घर पे जो खाते हैं ना, तो हम घर पे जो खाते हैं उसमें चांसेस नहीं है. If you eat from outside, there are good amount of chances that you might have. Go on to the YouTube on your own this. Seriously, you go to the YouTube and you type about ascariasis. You will do, I know. Ascariasis को type करो, ascariasis का extraction. ऐसा होता है कि ascariasis कितने हो जाते हैं, इतने. That do you know length of the small intestine?
Yes.
7 meters.
And what is the
2.5.
2.5 centimeter ना? 2.5 centimeter का width होता था. That will expand like इतना. 2.5 centimeter इतना होगा. इतना सा हो जाएगा. उसमें ascariasis बढ़ जाएगा. तो उसका extraction होगा. उसे निकाला जाता है. It's bad. Okay? और वो उतना होना भी नहीं चाहिए. वो इंसान ही कैसा है जिसको वहाँ उस एक्सटेंट तक पता ही नहीं
हम
चले.
अगर मेरे तो
ओके,
समझेगा नहीं ना.
निकल जाएगा ना बॉडी से. ओके, अगला. And next up, we come to TNIasis. Again, this is interesting, very similar. You just have to understand where it comes from. TNIasis जो होता है वो tapeworm से होता है. Somebody asked me, tapeworm. कौन पूछा था? tapeworm से होने वाला TNIasis बोलते हैं. tapeworm क्या होता है? पढ़ाया मैंने, इसीलिए मैं पूछ रही हूँ. How does it look? It's a flat worm. हाँ, मैंने से बोला था. It is a flat worm. Okay, it's a flat worm. But tapeworm ना can elongate to the size of your small intestine. कितना है अभी बोला था ना? वो elongate 4 मीटर तक हो जाता है, elongate. And it takes in all the nutrition that you are eating. So again that hungriness, gripping pain, ये सब होगा. Listen where it comes from. Infected beef and infected pork. Let me give it understand to you all. What is beef? Cow or buffalo meat. What is pork?
Pig.
Pig meat. Now, जो pig होता है, okay? Pig को क्यों बोलते हैं साहब? Because pig eats a lot of इधर-उधर है ना? तो उसमें से वो worms उसके पेट में आ गया रहेगा. Cow also वो कुछ खाता नहीं है, पर कहीं ना कहीं contamination से वो आ गया. It went inside. Now, if at all somebody is eating beef or pork, but that is undercooked. Undercooked समझ में आता है? अच्छे से अगर उसको पकाया नहीं गया, तो वो जो है ना tapeworm वैसे ही रह जाता है. Also, in fact, some of the other vegetables also you get tapeworm. यू हैव इंटरनेट पे वीडियोस भी है, ओके, वो टेपवर्म दिखता है अगर होगा तो, या फिर उसको वॉश, बेसिकली यू वॉश इट प्रॉपर्ली, अदरवाइज कभी-कभी वेजिटेबल्स के अंदर भी होता है टेपवर्म, ठीक है। तो ऐसा नहीं है सिर्फ, बट हाई चांसेस आर इन्फेक्टेड pork and beef, okay. So whenever you are eating meat, any kind of meat, make sure that you cook it thoroughly. हमारे घर पे जब मीट बनता है तो हम make sure करते हैं that it cooks thoroughly, but if you are eating from outside, God help, okay. Somebody mentioned ना इधर वो शॉर्मा खाता है, देखो अभी, and you know this will happen, I'm telling you really, ऐसा हम सोचते हैं, but if at all you eat from here somewhere ना, it's not cooked तो होगा, और ठीक है, मत करो बात।